Welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a simple RESTful API using Django Rest Framework by following its official documentation. If you are new to this channel, subscribe this channel to get more tutorials. Let's get started. At first, open command prompt or terminal and then navigate to a directory where you want to store your Django project and then activate Python virtual environment. Okay. Now install Django using pip package installer. I already have installed and then installed Django Rest Framework using this command. Okay. Now create a Django project using this command. Django admin start project and here enter the project name backend, hit enter. Now navigate to this project by cd. Okay. Now open this project with any text editor. My case PyCharm is preferred. Okay. Now open this project in terminal and create an application using this command python tree manage start app and here enter the application name, my case blog, hit enter. Okay. Now add REST framework application to your installed apps array. Open settings file. Okay. Now save this file. Now create a model to work with. At first, define a class. Name it article. Okay. Now add some fields in this article model. Title, models dot character field, and define maximum length of this field, and also add body field. It will be text field and author field. Okay. And you can also add another field created at okay, and create a meta class for ordering the article records. and make the ordering by created at timestamp. Okay, let's create a serializer class. At first, create a new file, name it serializers. Inside application. Okay, now I am going to create a serializer class using model serializer. Change the serializer class name here, write article serializer, and we need to import serializer from Django Rest Framework, and also change the model name snipe to article. So we need to import the article model from the blog application. Okay, here define the fields body and author, and also created at. Okay, now save this file. Now I am going to write Django views using our serializer. I will create class based views. So copy this code and paste here, and also copy this code and paste here. Okay, now change the application name blog, here change blog. Okay, change the model name article and serializer class article serializer. Okay, here change to article list. Okay, change the model name and serializer class. Here change the object reference name articles. Okay, okay, now save this file. Now create URLs file into blog application. Okay, copy this code and paste here. Now refactor our code. Okay, now open URLs from backend project and include the blog URLs here. So import include and here set the path for blog URL here API include blog.urls. Okay, now save this file. Now add the blog app to your installed apps array and apply the migration command to create an article table inside the SQLite database. You can change the database name here, my DB. Okay, make migration blog. Okay, hit enter. Now migrate article table to add the fields with article table. Okay, now I am going to start the development server. Run server. Okay, now open Postman app and enter request URL to access the article records using get method. This is the URL. Article list is empty, so I am going to send a request, post request. I am going to send a JSON data to this URL. Okay, title, first article title, body, and author. Article author. Okay, send this request. Okay, one article record has been created. We can get this article record from any web browser using this URL. That's it. Now I am going to access the article by ID. Here the article record ID is 1. So use this URL to retrieve. Okay, and copy this data. Now I am going to update this record. Here select the put method and change something from here. This is article body. Okay, now send this request. Now send this request. That's it. Now get the article record by ID and you will see the previous records has been updated. Okay, now I am going to delete the records by ID. Send request and see the record has been deleted. Okay, now retrieve the article list using get method. Article list is empty. That's it. We can implement our views using less code with generic class based views. So copy this, paste here and change the application name and model, and also change serializer class, and also change the class name. Okay, save this file and send the get request with this URL. Okay, now you can send article record using HTML form or raw data. That's it. If you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.